Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, something a little bit different I'm very excited for. Some exterior and cosmetic mods are now beginning on the Redeye. However, there's one piece missing, something I custom designed to go with this new part I'm installing on the Redeye. Have to run up to the beach to this manufacturing shop and pick it up. This is going to be a very fun video. Let's get out of here. So I wanted to give a big shout out and thanks to MFR Engineering. I have their Wickerbill here, which is absolutely fantastic. It is my favorite looking Wickerbill out of everyone I've ever seen for the Challenger. And not only that, I have designed a custom piece for this Wickerbill to go over top. I'll show you guys. You've already seen a little bit of it earlier when I was cutting it. This is going to be amazing. This is a very easy install. I'm going to show you guys step by step. First, going to lay some blue painter's tape across the spoiler, which will make it easier for marking the holes and prevent the spoiler from being scratched. Then I'm going to line up the Wickerbill, position it exactly the way I want, hinge it down with painter's tape as well, then mark the holes. Then I'm going to remove the Wickerbill spoiler and drill small pilot holes. Once I do that, I'll drill the proper size hole. After that, I will install the rib nuts and then install the Wickerbill. So let's get started. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's very easy. You're going to need a riv nut tool, riv nuts, washers, all kinds of stuff. I'm going to have all the links down there in the information box below, so be sure to check that out if you guys want to install this on your Challenger. It is time to make the rear end of this Challenger look so much better. Alright guys, for these riv nuts, the appropriate size to drill would be 9mm or 3/8. Okay, so I just drilled the 3/8 holes in the spoiler. Scary. Now it's time to remove the painter's tape and show you guys how to install the riv nuts, and that will be it. We'll be ready to install the Wickerbill. There you guys can see all the holes are perfectly smooth and drilled nicely. No scratches anywhere. Now it's time to install the riv nuts. Currently I'm using the Astro 1427, which I'll put a link down there in the information box for you guys to pick up. It works wonderfully. I've been using it on every install I've done, and it's flawless. This is the M6 extension. It comes with M5 through M12, all metric of course, but you can get the standard version as well. Here's the black screws, riv nuts, and of course the red washers I'm going to be using, which I think are going to look amazing on the Redeye. Okay, so what you're going to want to do here is install the riv nut onto the tool, and then expand the handles like this. And when you expand the handle, you're going to be able to screw on the riv nut even further. And you want to do this until you get to the end here. You want the threads to come right through at the end of the riv nut, right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just nearing the end. And that's about perfect right there. Push it into the hole gently, nice and flat against the spoiler, and we're going to squeeze the handles just like this. And then we're going to turn this counterclockwise, which is the threads inside the riv nut. Now this is how the Wickerbill comes from MFR. I think it looks great. However, I have been designing my own over the last several months, And I do have a piece of plexiglass that's going to be going on mine that I custom fitted for the MFR spoiler, so I adjusted it so that it would fit this spoiler, and I think it looks great. So you can see it's done, it's installed, it looks absolutely stunning. I love the red washers with the black countersunk bolts. I have them down there in the information box below. I just couldn't get the glass portion installed in the center as I need longer screws for these two right here. So I'm running up to Lowe's to grab those, and we're gonna finish this install in this video. What do you guys think? I think it looks amazing. Like, there's just no words to describe how nice it looks. I absolutely love it. Put a comment down there, guys, in the comments below. What do you guys think? Is it a nice touch to the Redeye? This video, it's actually raining outside. I'm legit driving in a thunderstorm again, and this time I'm recording it, so this is crazy. But you know, I had to get out to Lowe's and it started thunderstorming when I stopped by Wendy's to get something to eat, so I really can't get on it. But I figured, you know what, might as well vlog and let you guys hear the exhaust a little more, and I guess some decent driving footage. I really can't rip it too hard or I'll end up wrecking. It's really technically pronounced GT House, but I've been saying GT House because that's how pretty much everybody pronounces it here, but technically it is GT House. And no, I'm not going wide open throttle. I'm only about 25% on the throttle just to get the RPMs up so you guys can hear the exhaust. If I was to go wide open, it would take half a second and I'd crash, no doubt. You hear that downshift? Really nice. Too bad I cannot get on a little bit because of the weather, but it sounds great. As always, it's always a smile to drive the Redeye, that's for sure. I love these wicked downshifts in track mode. I just switched it to track mode. Listen to the difference in when it shifts. Man, does it ever sound good. Okay, but that's totally enough messing around in the rain. That concludes the Wickerbill install. I did design this piece right here for my Wickerbill. However, I ended up adapting it to fit the MFR. It's going to be several months before my Wickerbill is ready, and I absolutely love MFR's design. It is amazing. And I do love using the black countersunk bolts with the red washers. It just looks great compared to using standard stainless steel. I really think it makes it pop. What do you guys think? I think the red washers and black bolts look amazing. What do you guys think of the Wickerbill overall? Do you think it's a great addition? And this is the reason why I didn't get the performance spoiler for the Redeyes, because I wanted to do the standard spoiler with a Wickerbill first, and later on down the road, I can swap it out for the performance spoiler. I absolutely love it. What do you guys think? Thanks so much for watching. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, thumbs up, comment below. What do you guys think? For all my returning subscribers, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out my brother's channel, This Can't Be Happening, all lowercase, one word. He's always uploading new content. Check me out over on Twitch, twitch.tv. Search Driveway Demons, after hours gaming content and fun. Don't forget to check out the store, drivewaydemons.com. Get your key tags, hoodies, t-shirts, and more. Thank you all for the support. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.